Hi everyone. So when investing in real estate, it's very important to know whether it's going to be an adjustable rate mortgage or a fixed rate mortgage. A fixed rate mortgage, the rate of the interest that you pay doesn't change. But an adjustable rate mortgage, the rate of interest you pay on the loan changes. Here and there. They adjust it based on inflation and other things. So it's very important to know which one you are going to get. And I suggest you get a fixed rate mortgage if you can get a good rate, and then you know what your expenses are. During the housing crisis, a lot of the problems with people losing their homes was because of an adjustable rate mortgage. And people couldn't pay the interest on their loan. They were maxed out. So it's very important to know what you're getting into. Interest rates can also affect the cost of borrowing. So you need to be aware of all that too when building or buying a new property. Employment rates can also affect the cost of real estate. I think if people can't afford to buy, of course prices are going to go down. If people aren't confident about buying, they're not going to buy. So that's going to affect demand. Economic growth, are you in a growing area or a dying area? In some places in Detroit and Flint, Michigan, I think you can get a house very cheaply. Some parts of Japan. One guy in northern Japan I just heard about, he bought a nice house for $1,000. It's in the countryside, big piece of land, and he had to put in $1,000 of repairs. That was it. And he's got a really nice house. But he's far from lots of places. I mean, it's out in the country. But those are the things you can do with, real estate. So also looking at demographic factors, is the population of your area going up? Is the population of your area getting younger, or is it aging? So those are all going to affect prices. In a lot of countries, population's going down, so that's probably not good for real estate prices. But if you're in a big city with lots of people and lots of new people coming in, lots of young people coming in, probably prices are going to go up. Is your country in favor of immigration? Are lots of new people coming in from abroad? Lots of new immigrants? Again, that can affect prices. So yeah, how is your country handling all that?